Hello, people. So, on Netflix, there is the final season of this show called The Little Things, starring Dhruv Sehgal and Mithila Palkar. And so, it was like, I think, an 8 episode series, and each episode is just 20 minutes, 23 minutes long, I think. And you know, if you were to watch this series from this season one, it's all about this live-in couple, like this couple who's not married and they are staying together, and it is a they say it's a modern take on how relationships evolve. But I'll have to say this, yeah, that it is, I mean, the final season was, I think, the most realistic of all the seasons, because it was all about how this young couple who's not yet married, who's been together for 6 years, how they navigate through life. I mean, in terms of yeah, it was a very realistic series. So it's like health challenges, and they both are getting old, though they are just turning 30. So 30 is not old, but yeah, like certain health issues catch up with you, I think. And it's a very but it's a show that every probably young couple could watch and enjoy, because I'll just say this, yeah, that when you watch a show like this, when you've crossed that whole phase of it's all about a young couple. But it's the fact that two young people can be obsessed over the craziest, the most wrong things in life. Like, they are perennially focused on how to make this relationship better, which is beautiful, which is really beautiful. Except that, much like how Sri Ravi Shankar ji says, you should devote your mind to some higher aspect, and then every other thing will take care of itself. Like, this couple is forever analyzing, micro analyzing their relationship, which is really, it's very indicative of how young couples think, really. So do try and catch it, yeah. I mean, there is a certain chemistry that was, honestly, I'll be honest, it was a bit off in some of the previous seasons, like season 3 and season 2 probably. But in this final season, in the start, it doesn't go off so well. But as the season is nearing its end, you can make out there's a kind of warm friendship between Mithila Palkar and Dhruv Sehgal. I mean, there's no, like, I'll be honest, there's no crackling chemistry as such, but there is that certain, you know, fondness. I mean, it's like probably at the colleague level, that kind of fondness. So that's my honest review of the show. So do try and catch it, people. It's called Little Things, and it is on Netflix, which you can get for 200 bucks subscription per month if you watch it on your phone. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.